I am so excited. I went here to the Amazon website like I saw on Instagram, the Chaotic Hooker. She showed how this adapter fits on her Sentro 48 needle machine. And so I went to one of her hashtag links and found this. Too excited. So, as you can see, I purchased one. Now let's look over here. One says 40 needles. See where it says color? 40 needles. Come over here to the other side. You got one that says 48 needles. Each one of them is $39.99. Now for this, there is no, don't have enough. The 40 needle, there's 6 left. I am sure once this gets out, they will have plenty in stock. But the video is on the 48, but let's show you what the 40 needle has. It shows you the little adapter. It is electric. And look at that. You don't have to have a drill. Your hand doesn't get tired. I'm going to show you the video that the company put out for the 48 needle machine. Right here is the video. So let's watch it. It has the adapter, the plug, and now here's going to show you how to set it up. Gives you the little tool to take the little cover off the screw on the handle, which is wonderful. Take out the screw. You have to line up the little indents on the crank, and then the same on the electric crank. Once you put those in, take the handle off the electric crank, put the screw in, tighten it down, put the handle back on, you're good to go. Plug this thing in, and there's a switch. You can turn it one direction, and the switch turns it the other direction. Down at the bottom, it has a little knob that you can use to set your speed. I think this is awesome. So, before everybody goes crazy on this, you need to go and check it out on Amazon. It is called the addi knitting machine adapter. It's an electric knitting machine adapter. One is for the 40 needle and one is for the 48 needle. Both of them are $39.99. I think you will be so happy that you got this particular thing. And let's look over here. They do give you written instructions how to put it in there, but I think that little video will help you the best in case the written instructions. I know some people like to have a visual instead of the written instructions. I see right here it says A1, A2, B1, B2. It can get confusing. So mine is on the way. You can see I ordered one for my 48 needle, and I also ordered one for my 40 needle. They do not have one for the addi machines. These are strictly for like the Sentro, the Jamit, and the other ones that are of this color. Now, if it's a different color, I cannot say that it'll work, but this is for these two machines. So I hope that once you do get this adapter, you go ahead and post yours. I know mine will not be here until, let's see, today's August 22nd. Mine will not be here until Thursday the 24th. So I am too excited, too much excited. So I want to say thanks to Chevy or Cassidy from the Chaotic Hooker for bringing this to my attention on Instagram. She has a really good video on her posts page. You need to go check it out. Oh, oh, oh. This is going to be something totally wild and totally crazy.